Welcome back to CAD Station. Today we are going to make a earth rammer that is used for the construction basically. So let's start first of all part, and I'm going to start with top plane sketch. Select a center rectangle from let's give it a minute. From origin, make a center rectangle. Okay, one more thing, from here inches. Now again you have to edit sketch. Now this one is of 10 inches, this one is also of 10 inches, and go to features, extrude. I'm going to extrude up to 3 inches and okay. Now next is select this one, sketch. Now make a center rectangle from origin, press escape, select this line, press Ctrl and select this line and equal. Next is this one is of 9.5 inches. Okay, and this time we are going to use extrude cut, and this cut should be of 2.75 inches. Oh, okay. 3 minus 2.75. I've done the opposite, and okay. Now you have to select this face, sketch. Here you have to make 2 circles, 1 and 2, or you can press Ctrl 8 to take it to normal. It's totally up to you. Smart dimension. The outer one is going to be 3 inches and this one is going to be 2.5 inches or 2 inches. Now Ctrl 7 for isometric view. Features, extrude boss base. We have to extrude it up to 3 or 4 inches, and okay. Now next is one more thing, let it to be 3 inches. Yeah, it should be of 3 inches. Now next is the tool is done. Now we have to make a handle to hold this one. For this you have to select this one, sketch, and you can take a circle from here and make a circle from this origin, or simply you have the option convert in 3Ds. You can see this one is highlighted, that's mean we have created a circle. Now next is go to features, extrude boss base, and now it's up to you how long you want the handle. It should be of 50 and okay. Or one more thing, you can use here the lifted 1 degree but draft outward. 1 degree is quite bigger, so 0.5 degrees and okay. Now you can see it's going to be gradually increase. Ctrl 7 for isometric view. Next is we have to give the materials. For this you have to select this all, that's our solid one, that's the tool, and it should be of iron. From here appearance, and from metal tab you have to select iron, and here you can select this one, or for change this material you have to again select this and cast iron. Okay, now next is our handle, that is boss extrude, or boss extrude. We have to give it this is commonly of wood, or it is also of iron. For this iron, and this time we are going to use matte iron and select boss extrude, but I'm going to, you have to select this first. From here I'm going to change its color. Control 7. Or it's not give me the good feeling. For this I'm going to take again, and I'm going to make it of little bit like the wood. Okay, this one is okay. You can give it from here, or you have the option. You can find the wood here just from solid, or you can find the inorganic. Yeah, you can find the wood, so you can give it from here. So this our earth reamer is done. You can press Control 7 for isometric view. Our reamer is done. Hope you will understand how to make this earth reamer. It's quite simple. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe Cat Station and share to your friends.